Okay, let's record today what I do now. So first we see this screen. It's a cell phone. The following year, I will probably be entertained by eating, drinking, and having fun. And plus, the way of mobile entertainment and mobile office. Come and rearrange my home label. So here's the premise. Today is December 30th, 2025. It's 2026 in a day. Tell me about it here. For example, we see this first software. It's open source. This app store, the software inside is all open source app. No ad tracking. There is no paid strategy. Of course, there are some internal purchases, but there will be no payment outside. So it's all safe and trustworthy. And it has the classification of app in it. Let's click in. And you can see that he's categorizing them. Then each category is very clear. All right, I'm going to look at these categories. This whole screen is my current open source app. Some of the strategies, we come one by one. First of all, this doesn't count. This is what I developed the app with React Native later. I'll put it here for now. It's also an option for me to develop my own app. And this is one that I'm already working on. Smart Home. This is the location of the mobile phone, external interface that can be matched with radicals. Come and check out my current geography. The longitude of the geographical location is accurate to 1 meter. And this is the notification on my Android phone. And then this line, this I use every day. It is the mobile phone that sends the file to the mobile phone, and cell phones to computers. The computer sends files to the phone, and it's going down in the same game. And this is the knot I used before. Combine this next code. This service, notes can be deployed in the cloud. Then on the phone, it is common to all client sides, and it's open source. I just placed this today. I wrote a Pomodoro myself, but it's open source. It should function better than me. This is what I use to read some ebooks, or a novel or something. It's mobile entertainment. This is an open source player. Myself, for example, this video I'm shooting now, I don't really want to use the system itself. It will have some data privacy or some compatibility issues. Then I use this open source player. Come check out my video. This one I've used before. I just have some of my own movies and videos, or film and television resources or video resources can be deployed on this server. Well, all devices are available on the server, like a tablet, external phone. Also, it can be developed on the official website for others to see. This is very good. But I'm useless now because I can't find the right resources right now. This was placed today. Similar to the AutoGS6, I wrote my own code. It is also an automated. I have my eye on it. It can be operated without programming. Then let's say you want to set up a reach somewhere, to remind you of the clock in, or remind you to go out. What time do I wake you up? This automation is very convenient, but for now, I'm just going to put it here. Not much use. This file album of the mobile phone has been synced before. But because my storage has been running out, so the data is temporarily abandoned. So is this. Wait a minute, next. This is from Lex Code. This voice chat and video chat. But I don't usually use it much either. This requires deployment. This is I use my cloud as a service to deploy this remote control. Because the other remote client side is either a limited number of clients or there are privacy audit issues. Either he's fine when he connects to the computer, but when connecting to the mobile phone, you have to pay to unlock the two phones. Because helping the elderly at home or help a friend remotely. When operating this phone, he knows your scene is important. But we deployed it ourselves. If you deploy it yourself, there is no such problem. And mobile phones can be unlimited. That's the beauty of open source. Then here comes the most important thing. The remaining 4 are open source. This game emulator. We were supposed to take a look. There's over 500 open source versions of this game right here. Let's brush. He has over 500 games, like this game of Doom. But these games can't compare to our emulator game. With this emulator, we can play old NES games, play old arcade games, play PSP games. You can play some Nintendo games on it. It's not limited to open source games. Open source games, his games are not that playable. So I downloaded it first, like this emulator. This is an Android emulator. This is the emulator related to the PSP. This is like playing Nintendo and as similar related emulators. Of course, I haven't used the specific one yet, but this thing, for example. Now, I think the relatively most valuable ones are 3. The first one is the novel reader. Because if it's an ebook, a book is about 10 trillion, 100 trillion, about a trillion than the storage size of your phone. It can store dozens or thousands of copies. No, it doesn't take up a lot of space as long as your phone has electricity. You can watch like wilderness survival strategies. The storage method of Financial Home can be on it. And then there are other things that are just working. Or notes. You can watch it on, especially the life-saving guide. This is on the phone. That is to say, when you are disconnected from the internet on your phone, and power is cut off, please check this manual first. It's very helpful. Then the second is the open source player I'm talking about. We're recording a video here just through it. There won't be any privacy-related issues. For example, you are involved in some over 18 years old or something you photograph personally. It will not be censored by the internet or a breach of privacy. The third one, again, is something like these books. When you are alone, you can pass the time. And the second form of entertainment is this game. Game words. You put the ROM of this game, it's in this phone. The same goes, for example, for us. This and this NES game, you may only have a few hundred KB, even only a few trillion. Then the bigger one could be tens or hundreds of megabytes. Then you can play the game. If you play one game at a time, you can play for 2 to 3 days for a bigger game. You might play for a week or 2. And play even if you play the level. There are also some fighting games, or some racing games, or some strategy tower defense games. You can play it over and over again, like Super Mario, Go Bang, for example, like building blocks, etc. Tetris, yes, including this racing car. He is more interesting to play with infinity. So why do I mean me? I am now next year. The focus is on handling this office on the phone. This game on my phone, then the smart home related, it's all handled through the mobile phone. Then this game is very important. Similarly, let's say there's an earthquake, fire, or because of a special event. International strategic war. Disconnected. Then as long as your phone, if solar energy has electricity to provide, then you may have 100 kinds of games in it. Thousands of games. This game can support you. Every day at home or outdoors. Pass some leisure time. Not by looking at TikTok, something boring. It can trigger this brain of yours to think. Exercise your coordination and add interest to everyday life. Yes, that's it. And why? I would say it is the emulator of the mobile phone. For example, let's buy a Switch now, or buy another one of the game's equipment for this game. But it's not as convenient as a mobile phone of the game. You still want game equipment. You have to charge it separately, separate handle. But through this app called Android, then you have this resource, you have this software, and it's open source. You are on any device. You can camera on your Android phone, and whether you go out or at home, or travel, Your phone is the only electronic device that follows you. You can live without a bulky desktop computer, no notebook, even you don't have a bracelet. But you can't live without your phone. Your phone is the backbone of all your businesses, like this, note, novels, for example, this watch, smart home at home, like your secure location. For example, your notification, like your emulator, etc., etc. This is just what I spent half an hour dealing with today. It will also be available in these open source app stores later. Go get some stuff in.